What is powerful about SlideShare is that if your presentation gets popular, it can be viewed by millions of people potentially. Thus, making a high quality and attention grabbing presentation is very important. You should also consider your presentation as a front end advertisement that has a call to action. Now, if you are into SEO or search engine optimization, keep in mind that SlideShare presentations often appear in search engine results, so make sure that your keywords are optimized. Now, SlideShare can also be integrated into your social media marketing as your content can spread virally through blogs and social networks such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. You can even embed SlideShare widgets on blogs, wikis, and websites. One idea for you is to convert your presentation into an ebook and make it go viral.